Hello, Namaste everyone. On behalf of Fluent Lang and Swasti Innovation Labs Private Limited, Hubballi, I welcome you all this presentation on a program namely English Immersion Program, which helps you to bring a drastic change with respect to English communication efficiency among teachers and students. This program and the products supplied with it are not a kind of language lab, but it is a completely training setup which includes AI to some extent because we believe that human interface is more effective in learning.
The English Immersion Program, EIP, developed in close collaboration with Fluent Lang, represents a comprehensive, research-informed professional development pathway designed to empower educators with stronger, more confident English communication skills. Rather than relying on generic or one-size-fits-all approaches, this initiative is built around a proven, cyclical framework, assessment, practice, and assessment that ensures continuous growth and measurable progress over time.
It all begins with a diagnostic evaluation delivered through the intuitive Fluent Lang web app. This initial check isn't just about testing, it's about understanding each teacher's current language profile. The AI powered assessment includes a variety of interactive tasks, such as responding to time prompts, delivering open ended spoken responses, and completing rapid fire comprehension exercises to gauge real world proficiency across key dimensions listening, speaking, and reading. Beyond surface level performance, the system dives deeper into foundational language competencies like vocabulary breadth and depth, fluency in natural speech, grammar accuracy, pronunciation clarity, and coherence in expression. The result? A personalized snapshot that helps educators see their strengths clearly and identify where they can grow most meaningfully.
Once the baseline is established, participants move into a focused 1 month immersion phase, a dynamic blend of structured learning and hands on practice. This stage is carefully curated to meet diverse learning preferences and teaching contexts, from guided reading of authentic classroom materials and targeted pronunciation drills to immersive conversation sessions, active listening exercises, and even shadowing experienced peers in real teaching moments. Mentoring plays a central role too. Each participant is paired with a trained facilitator who offers timely, constructive feedback and encouragement. The program doesn't stop at theory, it brings learning directly into daily practice, helping teachers apply new skills in ways that feel relevant and sustainable.
When the month wraps up, a second assessment takes place, not just to measure improvement, but to celebrate growth and pinpoint next steps. Many participants discover surprising leaps in confidence and competence, while others gain valuable insight into areas needing continued attention. Importantly, those who demonstrate exceptional mastery may be invited to join the EIP trainer cohort, where they'll help shape and lead future iterations of the program, turning their own learning into a force for broader school-wide impact.
At its heart, the EIP is more than just a training course. It's a supportive ecosystem that combines intelligent technology, individualized learning pathways, and consistent human guidance. By investing in educators' language development, schools not only elevate classroom instruction but also nurture a shared culture of linguistic excellence.
The ultimate objective of the English Immersion Program is not merely to improve teachers' English proficiency, but to cultivate a school culture where confident communication, continuous learning, and peer mentoring become integral to everyday teaching and learning. Since the product mainly targets rural India, the price is astonishingly less. In just a two-digit price, you can adopt this product in your. Kindly feel free to contact us. The details of contact are there in our brochure as well as on the screen.